Hey there, savvy shoppers. If you're an Amazon Prime member with a Visa card, you're probably racking up those reward points without even thinking about it. Today, I'm excited to walk you through how to use your Amazon Prime Visa points right at checkout, so you can save big on your next purchase. Let's dive in and make your shopping even more rewarding. First things first, what's the deal with Amazon Prime Visa? It's a special credit card offered by Chase that gives you 5% back on Amazon.com purchases, 2% at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores, and 1% on everything else. As a Prime member, these points add up fast, especially if you're a frequent shopper. But the real magic happens when you redeem them. Now, let's get to the step-by-step process. Start by logging into your Amazon account. Make sure it's the same one linked to your Prime Visa. Add your desired items to your cart just like you normally would. Once you're ready, head to the checkout page. Here's where it gets fun. Look for the payment options section. You'll see a spot for rewards or points. Click on that. Select your Amazon Prime Visa as your payment method, and then choose to apply your points. Amazon will show you how many points you have and how much they're worth in dollars. If you have enough, apply them to cover part or all of your order total. One quick tip. There's usually a minimum point requirement for redemption, so check that before you start. Once you've applied the points, review your order and hit confirm. That's it. You've just turned your points into real savings. Remember, this only works for eligible items, so keep an eye out for any restrictions. Using your points is a game changer for budgeting and getting more value from your Prime membership. If you haven't signed up for the Amazon Prime Visa yet, it's worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Happy shopping!